Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze Dutch Depend Raps Part 3 video. In this video, I am going to show you how 5 amazing chess raps game. Okay, don't forget to watch all these games because this will give you some interesting tactical ideas to improve your overall game. And of course, you can use these opening rigs and raps into your own game as well. So let's get started. Okay, we can go now. Chapter 1 video. Okay, let's start with d4, queen's pawn opening, a5, followed by e4. Next move is g6. Okay, another move, e cross f6 and g cross f5. Another move of queen go to h5 and beatable checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 1 video, Dutch defense rap, part 3 video. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now another video of why black resign in 6 move, chapter 2. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 2, Dutch defense rap. Let's start with d4, queen's pawn opening, then f5, Dutch defense. Okay. Another move of white, g4. Now attacking the f5 squares black pawn. Then f plus g4 and h3. Another move of black, knight go to f6. Then h cross g4. Then knight cross g4. We will see what's happening going to v. Another move of white, queen go to d3. Okay. Then knight f6. Then rook cross h7. Okay. Now you can see right now why this move is here. If cut like this knight to rook, this queen going to checkmate. Go back now. If cut with the rook, then beautiful checkmate with the queen. That's why black resigned this here. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 3. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3. Why black resigned in 10 moves only? Chapter 3. Okay, let's start with d4, queen's pawn opening, then f5, Dutch defense, bishop go to g5, attacking the e7 squares pawn with white bishop, then c6, Dutch defense, captain attack, another move of white, knight go to c3, okay, then d5. After that, e4, white go to e4. Now double attackers. 2 pawn attacks to e4 squares white pawn. Then d cross c4. Then bishop go to c4. Okay. Then g6. After the move of white, f3. Then black bishop go to g7. Black bishop go to g7 and f cross c4. Okay, then bishop cross d4. Okay, we will see what's happening going to v. Now beautiful move of what? Queen go to d2. Okay, we will see another move of black. Bishop go to f6. Now attacking the g5 squares bishop. Why black bishop? Okay, then bishop f7 and we will check. If cut like this, queen cross f7 and wrap the queen with queen. That's why black resigned this. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. Why black resigned in 10 moves only? Let's start with d4, queen's pawn opening, a5, Dutch defense, bishop go to g5. Okay, then g6. After the move of white, knight go to c3, knight h6, then e4. Another move of black, knight go to f7. Now attacking the bishop right now. Then h4, defend the bishop. Another move of knight cross g5, cut the bishop. Then pawn cut the knight. Then d6. Okay, then e cross f5. Bishop cross f5. Okay. We will see what's happening going to v. Another move, g4. Now attacking the f5 squares bishop, white 4. Then bishop go to d7, go back. Then white bishop go to d3. Okay, then bishop g7. Another move. There's a rook plus h7. If cut like this, then beautiful move of white. White bishop cut here and poke rook and king. King go to here. Then another move. The rook is gone. That's why this game black easily lost. That's why black resigned this. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 4. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 5. Hello everyone, this is chapter 5, last chapter, Dutch defense trap, part 3 video. Let's start with d4, queen pawn opening, a5, Dutch defense, then bishop go to g5, Dutch defense, captain attack, okay, then h6, attack the bishop y black pawn, then bishop go to h4, go back, then g5, attacking the bishop right now, y black pawn, then bishop go to g3, now f4. Okay, we will see cow to white wins by checkmate. Okay, then e3. Okay, then h5. Okay, another move of white. Bishop go to d3. Okay, after the move of black, rook go to h6. Black the checkmate. Why black rook? Then queen goes h5 and we will check. If cut by black rook to white queen, then we will checkmate. Then cut the like this and bishop go to g6 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 5, last chapter. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, that's it.